SteelProud means many things. It means jobs. From architects and engineers to detailers, fitters, welders, and to the women and men who erect the steel on the job site, all contributing to shaping the landscape around us. SteelProud means leading the construction industry in meeting America's need for new buildings and bridges, with opportunities everywhere. It means using advanced technology, computer modeling, and American expertise. SteelProud means doing this detailing, cutting, and welding to the highest quality standards in fabrication shops throughout America. SteelProud means producing the steel in mills and fabrication shops throughout the United States by American workers. SteelProud is the root of American infrastructure, and you can be a part of it. I'm Ross Albritton, Industry Mobilization Manager for the American Institute of Steel Construction. I am proud to work in the 21st century structural steel industry. SteelProud.
Yeah.
My name's Mike Morrison. I work for W2M Consulting in Edmond, Oklahoma, and I'm steel proud because I'm a bridge designer and I love to design with steel.
Are you steel proud?
I am absolutely steel proud.
Awesome.
I'm Ralph Parrish with North Alabama Fabricating Company, and I'm steel proud because it is everything about life.
Thank you, Scott. I am David Dietz. I work at Palmer Engineering, and I am steel proud because I like the geometry control we can do with steel girders.
Products in the United States made out of steel produced in the United States.
And your name and company?
Robert Taylor, Taylor Machine Works.
Thank you.
I'd say it's easy to work with. It's very lightweight material, comparatively speaking, to concrete.
It's more predictable than concrete or soils and some of those things. And you get to see what you do.
Those are great. Thank you, John. You want to give your names and who you're with?
I'm Tom Johnson with CNI Engineering out of Louisville.
I'm Stephen Clayton with CNI Engineering, Louisville.
Mitch Curran, CNI Engineering, Louisville.
My name is Lee Snyder, work for Tekla, structure software that we sell, and we love steel, that's what we do, designing connections and everything. I've been a detailer prior to joining Tekla, and it's just something that's fascinated me ever since college. I love seeing things built, how things go up, and the satisfaction seeing how things progress throughout a project.
Working with steel. I am a detailer, engineer, welding engineer, 20 years in the field. I love it.
Jeff Brandis, I work for American Buildings Midwest, and you can just do so much with steel. There's really no limitations. So.
I work for MBS South Carolina, Nucor Division, and I love working with steel just because of the functionality, and it's a product that can manipulate in so many ways.
Jarrett Stone with Nucor Building Systems, South Carolina. I enjoy working with steel because we get to provide great buildings to people who utilize them in all different kinds of ways.
My name is Josiah Matthews, and I'm from New Brunswick, and I work at Ocean Steel in St. John. And I love working with steel because of its versatility and possibilities.
My name is Bethany. I'm at Purdue University, and what I like about steel is the flexibility of the design and the different ways in which you can use it.
I'm Lisa. I'm from Oxnard, California. I work for Navfac Southwest, and I like designing in steel because it has a lot of flexibility and solutions to design problems.
I'm Gadra Ahmadi, and I'm from Egypt. I work at the Housing and Building National Research Center in Egypt, and I'm a researcher in structural steel, so I love working with steel just to do research on it.
Hi, I'm Lou Geschwinder. I'm with Providence Engineering Corporation in State College, Pennsylvania. I like steel because it's flexible. You'll probably find a solution to any problem you have using steel.
My name's Logan Collel. I'm the engineering manager with Wayward Steel in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And I love being part of the steel industry because you get an opportunity to build our society, to build buildings, to build bridges, to build industry. And anytime you build something, you're overcoming challenges and you're working with great people.
My name's Terry Zwick. I'm with Atlas Ironworks in St. Louis, Missouri, a fabricator that's in business for 92 years. And then what makes me proud of the steel industry is its contribution to the economy, and that it's a real product. At the end of the day, you can touch it and you've got something to show for it. And it's not just a service, but it's a usable product that people need.
I'm Jordan Roth, work at Quality Machine Welding Company in Knoxville, Tennessee. I like working with steel because we get to build buildings that people get to walk around in, like this beautiful place here, hold events. It's kind of a rewarding to look back and you're giving something back to what you're getting paid to do, if that makes any sense.
My name is Nina Kristiva. I work now with General Electric, the wind energy business.
What is your favorite thing about working in the steel industry?
Where to begin from? The people that you work with, the people in the industry, the beauty of the structures that you see erected out of steel, the manifestation of engineering, innovation, and just being alive.
Peter Benson, Nucor Yamato Steel. I love about the steel business is the people.
Bob Wesley, I'm with Nucor Volcraft Group, and I love the variety that we get to do every day.
I'm Tom Schlickburn. I'm with Nucor Volcraft Group, and I just love the day-to-day activity of going out.
Jim Stever, Virtual Steel Technologies. Working with the technologies. And you know, when we were kids, we all grew up with things like erector sets, things of that nature. And so now we're applying it in real life. You know, computer-aided design, this stuff's constantly evolving. It's a challenge, seeing your structures come, you know, from a virtual world into a real world. And you know, working with guys like this, Shivaggio Steel, you know, software development. So
Joe Nikoloff from Nikoloff Detailing. Basically, it's been something since I kid, growing up building stuff with erector sets. Now we get to build a regular building and actually see it done once we're done. So that's really the key to it.
Hi, I'm Mark Shivaggio, Shivaggio Steel, and we're an AIC member and a certified fabricator. And I grew up in steel. Started there when I was 7 years old and working scraping windows for my father. And now my brother and I run Shivaggio Steel, one of the most highly automated companies downstate Illinois. And we love steel because that's what we do for our living.
I'm Erin Conaway, work with Side Plate Systems. I'm a structural engineer. I'm most proud of working in the steel industry because it's such a high caliber quality industry that has been around so long in the U.S. and so I feel like that's reason to be proud.
Wayne Braun from Bradkin. We are steel foundry, so everything we do is steel. So we love steel.
I'm Brian Miller with Casconex Corporation. And to be able to be involved in projects like the Transpace Center, which is an amazing project.
Tom Blizier with Weinstock Brothers, Valley Stream, New York. Sell structural bolts and equipment for structural fabricators and miscellaneous fabricators. And I like the steel business. I like the people in the business. I like the interaction with people. That's what I like.
I'm Jim Christakis from Sugar Steel. What do I love about being in the steel industry? Like I always told my kids, they asked me what I did for a living, and I said I help people build things. And when I think about where my loved ones are going to be going to an LA Fitness or a restaurant or something, I want to make sure it's going to stand up to the wind and the weather so that they're safe, and it's much more of a personal thing for me. So that's what I like about it the most.
My name's Curtis Drake, and I'm with Superior Fabrication, and I've been in the steel industry all my life. I grew up in it, so I've been a fabricator all my life. So I own my own fab shop now, but I still work in the shop. So I have people in the office to run the office, so I work on the floor. It's in my blood.
Do you work with them too?
I would be Charlotte Drake, and I do an HR there. So, you know, it's we have a good company, a good small company, great bunch of employees, and and you can't do it without your employees. And so it's Curtis. He couldn't be out there in the shop if he didn't have someone to run the office for him, and that's where he wants to be as a because he's done it all his life. So anyway, yeah.
My name's Curtis Williams, and I'm with M2 Marketing, and we represent a couple of exhibitors here as well as a couple of attendees. I love working with people in the steel industry. They're good people. I've found that they're hard workers and generally really accepting of ideas. And obviously, the steel industry is always on the cutting edge of what's happening in construction. So for me, it's a real honor.
Hi, my name's Kevin Bush. I work with Walsh Construction. My favorite part of steel erection is making the big picks off the water.
Hi, I'm Dave Eckert. I work for Side Plate Systems. I'm a structural engineer, and I love working in steel just because it's very easy to design and also a very recyclable material. So it's very useful, you know, even through different life cycles of different types of projects or uses.
My name is Paul Miklich, and I work for Gerdau, and I've been in the steel industry for 30 years. The industry is an excellent industry. I've enjoyed it thoroughly throughout my career, and why I'm steel proud is because I think the things that we can do with steel and structures that we can build are just unbelievable. And as technology grows and gets better, it's the structures get better and bigger. So it's an excellent industry.
Hi, I'm Roger Furch. I'm president of the American Institute of Steel Construction, and I'm steel proud because it's been my career for 47 years. So I started in it. I had the iron in my blood, and I've stayed with it from the beginning, and it's great to look at all the projects we build and know all the things the material can do.
Hi, I'm Ben Morrell with Workman Corporation. What I love about the steel industry is I get to follow in the steps of my father, selling the best machinery in the industry and watching our customers build their businesses while they build America.
Hi, I'm Adrian Morrell of Workman Corporation. The thing I've loved about the steel industry over the years is been involved in many of the major projects that we've been involved in around the world, such as claim to fame, I think it would be involved in the World Trade Center with MRP. Many other projects around the world, including Las Vegas projects. It's just seeing what you've created and being part of the industry, and everyone is just great friends. That's what we built over the years, just great friendships.
I'm Todd Weaver, work for Metals Fabrication Company in Spokane, Washington, and I'm proud of the buildings we built and being able to go through the cities and annoy my family by pointing them all out and see that real influence that we make in the market.
Hi, I'm Pat Southworth, Allied Steel. The thing I love about being a steel fabricator is being able to be a part of actually building something great in this country, being involved with cool people in the construction processes, and actually coming and seeing a job go from start to finish. And something we should be proud of in America, because it's one of the last few things that we actually get to build here is the construction industry. So, thank you.
Melissa Ballard, work for Inframetal Steel Warehouse, Central Division out of the Chicagoland area. You know, other than doing events like this and networking, I'd say the best part about working in this business is ever-changing. Every day is a challenge, whether it's a personality challenge or a material challenge. Learn a lot every day. I grew up in the business, so this is really all I know. I educated in this business, and you know, I'm happy to be here. Yeah.
I'm Kim Robinson. I work for Star Seismic, and I love steel because it goes up so fast and you can do much more with it.
Well, I'm Ryan Smith. I work for Side Plate Systems. I'm a structural engineer. I love steel. It's the best material to design with and build with. Best performing structural system you can have.
Hello, I'm David Houghton. I'm the inventor of record of side plate technology. I've been in love with side plate for 20 years, been in love with structural steel for a lot longer than that, like 47 years. I've always loved steel because it's robust, it's ductile, it's cost effective, and we can be creative with it. And the essence of our technology is creativity with a fantastic material like structural steel.
I'm Chris Moore. I'm with the FEATURE Group, the software division, Steel Projects Corporation. I love the steel industry because of the automation, the innovation, the technology that we deal with, the way we're bringing automation and integrating technology into steel fabrication shops and making the whole thing like an integrated process from start to finish.
I'm John Wamsley with Florida Handling Systems out of Bartow, Florida, and we've just been connected to the steel industry for about 30 years. So that's why NASCC is so important to us.
Joe Pope with New Millennium Building Systems. And I love working with steel because it's a really cool high-strength ductile material.
Yeah, I'm Ken with Paramount Roll and Forming.
We like curving steel because it makes the building look more presentable and more inviting to the eye.
Okay, I'm Mike Gerges from Paramount Road, from California. We are in the induction bending and bending beams, tubes, plate, stainless steel for any industry in the United States and in the world. We do the aircraft parts, you name it, and our hobby is just to make them beautiful.
My name is Brad Gleaves. I work for Nucor Corporation, and we're the largest steel producer of North America, as well as steel products. And what's cool about steel is, at least where I work, is I can design something one day as a structural engineer, walk out back the next day and see it being produced.
My name's Tony McHugh. I work for Fisher & Ludlow. We're a grading manufacturer, a Nucor company. Been in the steel business about 30 years, and it's something that when you get into it, it's hard to get out because it's interesting. You meet great people, you get involved in projects around the country. Every job's unique, and it's just a lot of fun.
Ready? I'm Don Nelson. I'm with Fisher & Ludlow. We're a Nucor company. We're in the grading business. I find it really exciting to see our products go into really big stuff. In high rises in downtown Pittsburgh, or big bridges across the Hudson and all around the country. And so having our product be one small part of something that's really big is exciting for me.
I'm Victoria Serbanek of the American Institute of Steel Construction, and I love steel because it is super cost efficient, so I can use the extra money to buy shoes.
It's just fun, and it's fun in a sense that you see buildings being built really quickly. You see guys working on it, you see the energy, and it's not just one piece of it. Everybody gets involved. When you start with the architects, they have to work really well with fabricators, and they have to work really well with directors. And when you see the whole process, and we're a part of it, it just makes us feel not just fun, but proud to look around and to say we did a small part in helping build America. It's amazing.
My name's Logan Hunt, and I'm with Controlled Automation. I'm steel proud because heavy machinery is awesome and I get to be a part of building it.
DT with Controlled Automation. I like the plethora of people that you have in the industry. Everyone from eccentrics who see the vision, to the workers that put it together, to the powers that be. It is a friendly, cost-effective, absolutely wonderful industry.
Ben, I'm from Greatech, and I work in the steel industry because I like meeting people, and it's a great way to work.
So I'm Brian Williams. I work with steel fabricators at a company called FabTroll. We enjoy working with steel fabricators largely because the company was founded by steel fabricators. We still have a lot of steel fabricators on staff, and so it's great to work with an industry that we came from. I personally have been in steel fabrication my whole career, basically since college, and so I've either worked as a steel fabricator or at FabTroll, and so it's always fun for me to do everything I can to help steel fabricators.
So I'm Christian Erickson with Autodesk, and I love the people in the steel industry. I'm a marketing person, so I like to talk to people, I like to listen to people, and these are some of the most interesting, colorful people that you'll meet anywhere.
You good to go?
Okay, good. Yeah, my name is Nick Levesky, and I'm with Buckner Companies. We are a steel erector, heavy lift crane company, industrial rigging, and a miscellaneous iron and fabrication organization. We've been a part of AISC for a very long time. Eddie Williams, who is the owner, is a lifetime member of AISC. And we just think that steel is the right way to go. And we're proud to be in the industry, and we've been in business since 1947 and supporting the steel industry for many years, going on 70 years now.
I'm Drew Van Worden from Podevco Industries, and what I appreciate about the steel business
is it's progress. It's construction. There's a lot of neat things maybe people don't realize about our industry. It's green. We're 100% recycled material. A lot of people don't realize that when we put up a building, when it comes down in 40, 50, 80 years, 100% of that building's recycled.
Jim Butler with Moldtech Technologies, a structural steel detailing and engineering services firm. Like the industry just because of the diversity and the world network of it.
Hi, my name's Doug. I'm with InfoSite Corporation. What I love about the steel industry is working with welders. I love to see welds. It's like art. My grandfather was a master welder and his father was also a master welder, and I love the steel industry.
All right, my name is Michelle McCarthy. I'm with Design Data, the makers of SDS2. And one of the things I love most about the steel industry is our customers. They're a great group of people to work with, and watching them learn the software and seeing the productivity that they're able to gain with it has been one of the most rewarding things that I've done.
Kenny Wall, I'm with the Ironworkers International. We're a very proud organization, 119 years old now. I've been in the industry 38 years myself out of Ironworkers Local 5 in Washington, D.C., now working for Impact. Impact is the labor management group for the union ironworking industry. And anybody knows our heritage if you just look around at all the bridges, the high-rises, the skyscrapers, the curtain walls, the glass, the stairs, the heavy machinery rigging. Very proud bunch.
Hi, I'm Kelly Luttrell, and I'm with Connextech. We're based in Pleasanton, California. And probably the thing that makes me proud about being in the steel industry is that we're doing something different. We're trying to bring some technology that's never been applied to the steel industry to the steel industry. And it's really fun to see people, you know, grasp what we're doing and appreciate that. And it's fun.
Ted Pisha with Garby Ironworks in Aurora, Illinois, and I'm steel proud because of family. Steel has been in my family for 50 plus years now, and that's what makes me proud of steel.
Terry Pisha, Garby Ironworks, Aurora, Illinois. This steel proud business, it's not hard to be steel proud. Everything we do here, everything AISC does, and all the people you know, you just want to keep coming back, getting involved.